How's it going? This is AK Detailing with a brand new video. Today we got a full detail and we got my wife behind the camera, Gotti.
Hello.
So she's gonna be recording me for the day. She'll probably come on little clips. She's super cold right now because it is pretty cold outside. So we're gonna got a full interior detail. What we're gonna do on this car, we're gonna remove the seats and get under the seats. Well, because just to get under the seats is a big problem because they're super dirty, and that's the best option to get done faster. Just remove the seats and then get the carpet all done at once. It's a small car, but it's super dirty. You guys can see right now. Check it out. And like I was saying, just to get under the seats will be hard to get under. How they're stained, there's stuff spilled on it. So the center console's real dirty. So we'll be taking out the steamer for that. Remove all that. So we're gonna try to remove these stains too. Probably not all the stains are gonna come out, but as long as we try to, start from step one, then the last step is probably just doing it with the steamer to remove these stains. But there's look like to be a lot of spills on here under the floor mats. But we'll be using super clean to try to remove this and see how to clean up. But I never had a problem with super clean where I'm always struggling with it at all, so I'm always satisfied with how they leave the results. So let's get right to it, and pretty much it. Probably touch this all up on top, you can see. So we're gonna have to detail all this. So all this is gonna need to be detailed. Remove all that dirt. So we're gonna get right to it, and hopefully you guys like this video. So let's get started. The reason why I removed the seats, I don't have to be struggling. So it's gonna be much easier now to work around here. Just taking out the seats, it ain't too much. Makes life home much easier. So let's get.
I'll be there for you. 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 I'll be there for you.
Alright, so that's basically it. I did record the aftermath of the mess. So there's a lot of stains that didn't come out of the carpet. There's not, I don't know, it's like some pink stuff all over the carpet. And some other brown stuff that won't come out no matter what. I went over it quite a few times. The super clean that I used was strong, but it still didn't come out. So basically, they just wanted the inside. I charge more for when I do the outside. I don't have it as a package no more, where I used to just give them one price if they get the interior detail, they get a free wash on the outside. But I don't do that no more because I noticed that I put so much detail on the outside too, just for the regular washes, that I end up, you know, lasting longer than I should, because I don't just like doing a basic wash and then not coming out good. I like, you know, cleaning it up real good. So I charge extra for the outside. So they just wanted the inside, like it's gonna rain on, I think, Tuesday. There's no point if washing the car for them. And they'll call me when it's not raining, but lately it's been raining a lot here in Cali. So pretty much it for the day. Like I said, I have my wife here, big helper. We use some super clean products that they sent me. Well, I'll be using the product and then showing you guys how I use it. This one I didn't want to make a video about the super clean due to time and all that, so I didn't want to base a video on super clean. I'll start making the videos later on. So I also want to announce that there's going to be a giveaway soon. On my next video, I'll be posting up whatever we're giving away. It's a super clean products, but also I'm giving out my merch. So my merch is going to come out next year. I have some shirts made. I don't know about the hats yet, but for sure I'll have the shirts made. Some long sleeves. I'll start off with some long sleeves, and then quite a few short sleeves. But if I'll be doing that. So if you guys win, you guys will be receiving the product first, and then you guys will be receiving the shirt next. And I'll be telling you guys what you guys need to do in order to win the giveaway. So there's gonna be two winners receiving shirt and also the product. So stay tuned. Don't forget to like, so the algorithm of the YouTube, you know, push my videos. And don't forget to subscribe, because I'll be start doing giveaways. And then so you guys stay tuned. You know, hit the notification for my next video. So when it comes out, you know, you guys already know what to do. Watch the video and look for what you guys need to do to enter the giveaway. So that's basically it. So this is AK Detailing, and we're out.